Today's trading session had the Fed talking all morning with some news happening at 9 o'clock that I forgot about. I was trading Nasdaq this morning with bracket orders. So you'll see very capped risk and reward today. Let's go ahead and dive into the trades that I took on the session. Guess let's talk about the day, shall we? This is the daily charts. This is what it's looking like. Nas has popped yesterday's high. ES has not quite popped yesterday's high yet. We got the Fed speaking all day long. Sometimes it's nothing and sometimes it's something, right? So kind of a tough spot, honestly, for our trading session, because unless something is very clear, if it's pretty mediocre, middle tier price action, kind of choppy, I'm probably going to be sitting out of it just because the Fed's talking all day long. We got some news at 9 o'clock. But if something looks really clean and we get some good movement out of it, totally going to be taking trades. It's just, all I'd say, we are above yesterday's high, which is at 85. I've been in the whole line game recently, so I'll just keep it up, right? We'll mark yesterday's high. Assuming we do break below yesterday's high, VWAP definitely feels at play at 55. Cracking below VWAP, which is also very close to yesterday's value area high, I think we get the rotation down to the lows at that point. But again, it's kind of hit or miss in my opinion today just because of the Fed talking. So who knows? We'll see. As of right now, everything looks bullish. It looks rippy, but who knows that that's going to continue through the open. We're going to find that out in a minute. And yeah, we're going to just be patient. That's the name of the game on days like this, is to be patient. So we're what, 6 points off the highs a day, 10 points off? ES trying to go run the double top at 29, I guess. Rotate into 30 block. I'm gonna give this a shot. Delta looks heavy. We're right back to the top of that range. I believe this stop is right at new highs on the day as well. Using the bracket. ES still has that interest at top side as well. I'm out. Stopped out. Minus 10 points there and a very, very good push. Finally broke the high of day at 26. Buy stops, I guess, pushed us all the way to 43 very quickly, 15 points. Even if I wasn't using the bracket in this situation, it's very obvious after that many tests. I mean, it's the same thing down here. If you're going to see me trying to buy down at 74, I will be a person with a stop down here because it feels like we sweep that. But how many times did we sweep it, or did we bounce off it beforehand, right? Several. So it's worth a shot. It's just, you got to be able to cap your risk very quickly on something like this if you're playing the range. Just past step 2, paperwork all signed, waiting for access to the account. Yo, GG's, Trevor. Chat, drop a GG for Trevor. Well done, man. Congrats on passing step 2, earning your funded account. You don't know what we're talking about. Trevor just got access to a funded account with Tops Up. He gets to keep 90% of the profits. They take 10%. They put up the buying power and they take on the risk. If he loses, he does not have to pay it back. GG's, dude. Chart is still up, right? So should probably just be taking longs realistically. It just feels so weird to be trying to take longs after this type of action. But I mean, that type of run back looks pretty good. We got buyers here. I'm gonna go and participate. I like this push. I like the push into 35 that we had here, 34, right at the wick. Still trying to see those buyers step up. Not happening yet. Still holding that 27 area. Kind of starting to slow down on Delta. Probably get stopped out here. And I'm out. I'm not seeing the market clearly right now, so I'm walking away. I'm down 400 bucks. That's 2 stop outs in a row. Normally I get myself 3 bad trades, but I do not feel like I'm seeing the market cleanly. Both trades I've had just are like immediate losers. And whenever I'm in that mentality, especially going into the session, talking about like, I feel like there's a lot of uncertainty, should probably be more patient. Yeah, I feel like I'm forcing trades, not seeing the market cleanly. And to avoid snowballing that in a very negative way, I'm going to walk away.